In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy data from one Excel worksheet to another. We're going to use the simplest, most reliable method, cell referencing. This creates a live link between sheets so your second worksheet always mirrors what's in the original without any manual copying or refreshing. Start by opening Excel and going to the worksheet that already contains the data you want to mirror. Take a moment to make sure everything is up to date: headings, numbers, formulas, and any totals. The more accurate your source is now, the smoother things will go in the destination sheet. Next, move to the new worksheet where you want the data to appear. Click the cell where the first value should show, typically the top left cell of your target area. Type an equal sign. With that equal sign still visible, click the tab of your original sheet, then click the specific cell you want to reference. You'll see Excel create a reference in the formula bar, something like AHOS Sheet 1 A1. Press Enter. You should now see the same value from the original cell appear in your new sheet. That cell isn't a copy you have to update. It's a window into the original. Anytime the source changes, this cell updates automatically. To bring over the rest of the data, copy that formula to the other cells that need to mirror the source range. The fastest way is to use the fill handle. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small cross, then drag across and down to cover the area you need. You can also copy and paste the formula into the destination range. As you fill, Excel adjusts the references for you so the linked cells match their positions in the source. Make sure your first reference cell lines up with the top left of your original table. That alignment keeps every row and column in sync. From now on, any change in the original table, editing a number, updating text, or a formula recalculating will be instantly reflected on the new worksheet. There's no extra action required on your part. The link is live and automatic. A quick note, cell referencing brings over the values, not the original formatting. If you want a similar look, you can format the destination cells to match, and if your table grows over time, just extend the formulas farther using the same fill or copy approach. If something looks off, check the formula bar to confirm the reference points to the source cell you intended. That's it, the easiest way to automatically copy data from one worksheet to another using cell references.